Everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy and Company and your construction update on February the 13th from brand new oceanfront home, All the King's Horses, R1-1473. Let's take a look at how the construction's coming along. Here's the view off the level 3 west facing deck. Penny's Hill off on the distance with a few wild horses passing through. In the level 3 master bathroom, nice clawfoot tub, tiled shower, open up into that bedroom. Here we are on the third level, oceanfront deck. Some great views of the ocean. Plenty of deck space.